Hi guys, it's Furuno Dan here, and today we're going to have a quick look at a GP33 from Furuno. This is a standalone GPS receiver, and it's also got a plotting function in there as well. So here's the box, that's what it looks like from the outside, that's what you receive. And let's go and have a look inside and see what we can find. Okay, the first thing we come across is the packing list. It just tells us what's in the box, lots of stuff. And here we go, so the first cable we come across is a NEMA 2000 cable. Very nice. And now we have the instruction manuals, quick reference guide there. Wiring diagrams as well on the back. Next comes the installation materials and the accessories. This has got extra fuses and the cutout shapes and things like that in it. And there it is, there's the GP33, and just underneath there we should have our antenna as well, there it is. So just lay them all out for you so you can have a look. That's what you get in the box. So the installation materials and accessories, the unit itself, manuals, long cable for the GPS receiver, NEMA 2000 cable. So let's try and get and have a look. So just get the dust cover off here. Bit difficult with one hand, I was holding the iPad in the other hand here. There we go. And there she is. Okay, and the connections on the back. Let's have a quick turn her over. There we go. So we've got a NEMA 2000 port, a NEMA 183 port is underneath that black cover there, you'll see that in a second. And the one on the end's for the antenna, and it's a coax cable. So let's just have a quick look at this NEMA port. There it is. Let's pop that back on. Okay, there's the coax cable for the GPS receiver, so we just plug that in there and screw it on. Okay, the power for this unit is actually received via the Enemy A2000, which is that port there. And if you just look on the sticker as well, 12 or 24 volts, it takes either. So we've gone through a little stepper box here. It's one of our power supply units, providing me with 24 volts. And the first turn on, beeps a couple of times, but we turn that down because it's quite annoying. There we go. Okay, this screen here is showing us what satellites we've got in view. There's the antenna, which is inside the building, so it hasn't actually received any. So I've relocated the GPS receiver. Okay, so we've moved the antenna for the GPS, so it's now got a clear view of the sky. What we're looking at here is the sky map, which shows us which satellites we're receiving. And the longer we leave it on for, the more and more satellites will fill in there until the full 12 are being received. So let's have a look at a bit more detail. So the DISP button stands for display, and enables us to go through the pre-inbuilt defined displays for the unit. We've got the compass there, the plotter screen, which enables us to put in waypoints and navigate to them. The rolling road, where waypoints will show up, tell us we have to go port starboard. The position in large format, and the sky view there, like we've seen earlier. Okay, we're back to our plotter screen here. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to pop in a quick go-to. So we move our cursor around, which is our little black cross there. And we click on the go-to button. That's put in what we call a quick point, and it's also directed our boat towards that. Okay, we can zoom in and zoom out on our plotter screen there. And by moving our cursor over to the waypoint that we've already selected, we can go in, we can move it, we can edit it, we can cancel it in total, which is what I've just done there. And the waypoint remains, however I'm no longer going towards it. Okay, the other functions we've got are the ability to drop a waypoint on top of our boat, and also drop a man overboard. There we go. and it asks us if we would like to go to it straight away, which if you have a man overboard you usually do, yes. So there it goes. The MOB popped up on our screen. Okay, so I've deleted all those waypoints that we just put on there. It's a case of clicking on it, highlighting it and pressing the delete button. There we go, just one more so I can show you the list functions. So there's our waypoint there that we're heading towards, with the arrow to show us which way we need to go to get on course for it. Just turn the brightness up slightly. There we go. Maximum brightness, you will be able to see this at night and also at direct sunlight as well. It's a bonded screen, which means that the pixels are actually glued to the glass, so there's no chance of any fogging up. Okay, let's have a quick look at the menu structure on here. You can see we go in. There's a symbol up and down, and then press the enter key to enter. So let's have a look at our waypoints list I mentioned earlier. There it is, there's the one that I left on the screen. And from here I can go in and edit it and cancel the go to, or even select a go to towards it if it wasn't already selected. We can change the position via lat and long. Okay, the other features on the GP33 are the alarms. Here's the settings for them here. And as you can see, they're quite extensive, so you can have anchor alarm, arrival alarms, and also change the sound. Some system messages that we can read from there. And in here we can also change the navigational mode from run line to grey circle. Okay, back into our user displays. These are customizable to show us the information that we need to see. And here we go. So I'm just setting up a three-way split here. So we've got box A. I want let's go for SOG. There we go. And I want bearing in this one. And the last one will just show a display of the volts that we're reading on our system. There's two customizable displays for the GP33. So if you press the DISP button, there's number 6 now. There's number 6, it's got SOG, bearing, and also the volts output. Okay, that's basically it. That's the GP33. If you get any questions, give me a call.